stand secure. Oh, Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I put my hope in your holy word. I put my hope in your holy word. I have a living hope. I have a future. God has a plan for me. Of this I'm sure. Of this I'm sure. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I know I can stand secure. Oh, Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I put my hope in your holy word. I put my hope in your holy word. Ba-da-da! Thanks for tuning in to Christian Quarrel! The popular family show where two Christian families battle head to head for a chance to win a trip to the Holy Land! Their biblical knowledge will be put to the test. I am your hostess with a mostess, Oswald McGillicuddy. Are we ready to meet our families?
Yeah!
Let's get the first family out here then. Meet the Old Test family. Let's go down the line and introduce our contestants.
Hi, my name is Joshua.
Hi, Joshua, nice to meet you. Who is it that you have with you today?
Well, Mr. McGillicuddy, I have my lovely siblings with me.
Hi, I'm Ruth, Joshua's younger sister.
Hello, my name is Samuel, Joshua's brother.
Hi there, I'm Vincent. I'm the baby of the family.
Nice to meet you guys. What is it that you do for a living?
Well, I'm a Bible teacher at our local Christian college.
I'm a full-time minister and do some counseling on the side.
I do missionary work, mostly in Ethiopia.
And I'm the church secretary for our congregation.
Wow, what impressive resumes. You guys ready to meet your opponents, the Newmans?
Yeah!
Well, let's get them out here then. Newman family, thanks for being here today. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
It's so great to be here today. My name is Matthew. I'm your playing husband today. I'm a fisherman. Unfortunately, I'm not in church as much as I want to be. The sea goes, you know?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Mark and I'm a businessman. I'm often out of town, but I try to find a congregation when I can.
My name's Luke.
Hi, Luke.
And I'm a doctor. A doctor's always on call. Usually I'm at the hospital on Sundays, but I do get my prayers in.
Well, that's good. It's good to have all you folks here today. I wish both teams the bestest of luck. Are we ready to get started?
Yeah!
Excellent. May I have a representative from each family, please? Da-da-da, pa-da-da-da-da. Okay. First question. Oh, yes. Do not forget to talk out your answers with your family, okay?
Yeah.
All right. First question. What did Lot's wife turn into when she looked back at Sodom and Gomorrah?
Ew, I know this.
Wasn't it sugar?
It was something grainy.
Ooh, I know. Rice.
All right, guys, you got about 20 seconds to answer. This shouldn't be that difficult of a question, am I right?
All right. You ain't gotta be so salty about it.
That's it! Salt! She turned into a pillar of salt, sir.
Good answer, good answer.
Is that your final answer?
Locking it in.
Bible says. Correct!
What?
You just had to give them a hint, didn't you?
My bad, it wasn't intentional.
Are we ready for the second question?
Yeah! We'll get this one, guys.
In Genesis chapter 7 and 8, how many days did it rain to flood the earth?
I spoke too soon.
That's super easy. 40.
Is that your final answer?
Wait, wasn't that the number of days Jesus was tempted?
Wait, hold up. Did you just say Jesus was tempted? I must have missed that chapter.
There are lots of important numbers throughout the Bible. Let's just say 12.
Are we super set on 40? I like the number 39.
Why are we struggling with this?
I think we should listen to Esther.
Okay, Mr. McGillicuddy, we are locking in 40.
Bible says. Correct! Oh, test family gets another point.
Man, I feel like we need to go to church more. We should know the answers to these questions.
Yeah. This is kind of embarrassing.
It is. We'll be right back after this commercial break.
You don't have to be single at ChristianMingle.com. Worldly folks just don't get it. What?
And we are back! We've got the Oil Test family in the lead with a whopping 2 points. And we got the Newman family. Well, there's still time. Are we ready to start again? Yeah! Okay, question 3. Who is the oldest person in the Bible?
It's Joshua.
Rude. I'm not old.
Sorry, man. I didn't mean you.
God, we know what? Hands down.
How do you see that? I mean, how do you survive a flood and not outlive everybody in the Bible?
Let's not lock that one in, though.
20 seconds.
Isn't it in Genesis 5:27?
I'm pretty sure the oldest patient I've ever had was like 107, and her name was Gertie. Surely no one in the Bible lived longer than that. It's not possible.
Yeah, there might be a Gertie in the Bible. I'm okay with it.
Seems legit. Let's go with that. We're locking in 107, Mr. McGillicuddy.
Did the Newman family get it right with Gertie? Bible says. Shockingly, no! That is incorrect. Old Test family, do we have an answer?
All right, guys, what should we say?
I'm pretty sure it starts with an M. It's kind of a long name.
Methuselah?
Methuselah.
Got it. Methuselah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Locking in Methuselah, sir.
Bible says. Correct! Old Test family continues to be in the lead. And now, for the final quarrel. In Exodus chapter 3, verse 14, who does God tell Moses he is?
Father!
Son,
Holy Spirit.
While those are all used in the Bible to reference God, no!
Are you serious?
Old Test family, do we have an answer?
Exodus 3:14. And God said to Moses,
I am who I am.
And he said, thus you shall say to the children of Israel,
I am has sent me to you.
our answer is I am.
Bible says, for the win. Correct! Old Test family, a win! You guys went an all-expense 7-day trip to the Holy Land! Newman family, thanks for playing. You guys definitely tried.
Epic fail, guys. We didn't even get 1 point.
yeah, this was the worst.
Oh, don't be too hard on yourselves. You guys tried your best. That's all that matters.
I want to confidently be able to say that I am a Christian.
What can we do to be better Christians?
Yeah.
Well, you guys can always come visit church with us on Wednesdays and Sundays. I'll be happy to have Bible studies with you too.
And I can make cookies for everyone.
You would do that for us? We're total strangers to all y'all.
Of course we would. Christ said to go into all the world and preach the gospel. That's why I'm a missionary.
Yeah, we enjoy being close to God. Also, it's kind of my job. You just have to make time for God.
10 minutes.
That was beautiful. You and family, I'd like to have you back on the show in a few weeks to redeem yourselves. How does that sound?
That sounds amazing.
Okay. Thanks everybody for watching Christian Quarrel. Remember, I am your hostess, Will